going?
Camera?
Why are you taking
Oh,
pictures?
don't touch my camera, sir. Don't touch my camera.
Well, you're taking pictures of me. I can detain you.
Oh, no, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Taking pictures in public is legal, sir.
But don't take pictures of security.
Sir, hold on a
I
second.
need you to
Calm
stay
down
away.
a second. Calm down a second,
Who-
sir.
who are
Calm
you?
down a second.
In this intense public audit, an unidentified photographer faces aggressive security guards outside a federal building after merely taking pictures from a public sidewalk. The confrontation quickly escalates, threats of detention, camera confiscation, and verbal aggression, until DHS officers arrive to settle the dispute. This case perfectly exposes the ongoing ignorance surrounding the First Amendment right to film in public. What would you have done in this situation? Stay calm or fight back? Watch till the end to see how knowledge of the law turns chaos into clarity. Support ID Refusal Pro and the original creators who bring these real-life lessons to light.
Hi, how are you today? I'm doing good, thanks.
We'd appreciate it if you... The going things here,
Yeah?
we would appreciate it. Are you from the news media?
I could be.
Oh, okay. One moment, please.
No problem.
A Paragon security guard immediately violates constitutional boundaries by shouting threats at the cameraman for merely taking photos on a public sidewalk. His demand to confiscate the camera and press charges contradicts the First Amendment, which explicitly protects the right to record matters of public interest from public space. The cameraman remains calm, exercising lawful restraint. This incident demonstrates the recurring gap between perceived authority and the law itself. Under Title 18 U.S. Code SS 242, any officer or security agent who deprives a person of rights protected by the Constitution acts unlawfully. No federal statute criminalizes public photography unless tied to restricted or classified locations. Here, the guard's behavior constitutes intimidation, not law enforcement. The correct action is to document, maintain distance, and assert one's First and Fourth Amendment rights without escalating the situation. Knowledge of these laws protects citizens from unlawful interference by security personnel.
Yeah, how are you?
Where are you going?
Camera?
Why are you taking
Oh,
pictures?
don't touch my camera, sir. Don't touch my camera.
Well, you're taking pictures of me. I can detain you.
Oh, no, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Taking pictures in public is legal, sir.
But don't take pictures of security.
Sir, hold on a
I
second.
need you to
Calm
stay
down
away.
a second. Calm down a second,
Who-
sir.
who are
Calm
you?
down a second. Calm down a second, sir.
Call FPS. Have FPS round here ASAP.
Sir,
Now,
I'm on a public sidewalk. Do you understand that?
I know. But
And-
you cannot
okay.
take pictures. I refuse for you to take me a picture.
Okay?
I don't want you taking me a picture.
It's called the First Amendment. Have you ever heard of it?
I don't care what your First Amendment is, but you're
Okay,
taking me
so-
a picture.
Okay.
Would you like me to take you a picture?
Take all the pictures you want. I'm in public. I don't care.
You got a picture?
You should learn the First Amendment, sir. What is your name, sir? You work for Paragon. Badge number
What?
864.
I refuse for you
I've
to
already
take me a
got
picture.
one complaint against you guys, and it already went up to HR. And your badge number, I'm getting yours too. 3332. Gallegos.
that's right.
Okay. Now this guy, you've been pleasant. This guy's on some serious steroids or something. Sir, photography in public is legal. You need to learn that.
ASAP. We got a gentleman taking a pictures of 3.5 battery.
Yeah, taking pictures. It's legal. Whether you-
He's taking pictures of us,
yeah,
and I told him you can't take pictures of me,
which I can.
so he's not even taking pictures. He's
You guys are silly.
A Paragon security guard confronts the cameraman, physically touches his camera, and declares, "I can detain you." This statement has no legal basis. Detention in the United States requires reasonable suspicion of a crime under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, and must be conducted by authorized law enforcement. not private security. The cameraman correctly asserts his right under the First Amendment, reminding the guard that photography in a public area is lawful. By threatening to detain and ignoring this constitutional right, the guard's actions cross into unlawful seizure, potentially violating Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and detention. The cameraman's calm insistence on transparency, asking for badge numbers, and referencing prior complaints demonstrates legal awareness and composure. The proper response for citizens is to stand firm, record the interaction, verbally assert rights, and avoid physical confrontation, ensuring accountability without escalation.
Okay.
You detain me, sir, you're going to jail. Because that'd be illegal.
No, I have the right to detain you.
Under what authority?
Huh?
Under what authority?
You're taking pictures of the security features of the federal building.
Sir,
And that's the reason why we're not allowing, especially when you're taking pictures of me.
Sir, would you let me talk for a second?
Would you like me to take pictures of you too?
You
Is
decide.
it okay? if
Of
I take
course it's
pictures of you?
okay. I'm in public. You can take all the pictures you want.
Yeah, but you can't take pictures of a person, especially face to face.
Yes, I can. It's called the First Amendment.
No,
Sir,
basically you can't.
under what
I
law?
don't want you taking pictures of me.
I know you don't want to, but under what law? It's not a law, sir. It is a First Amendment protected right. And if the police come here, they will tell you that exact same thing. Now, like I said before,
Is that take pictures?
also, are you familiar with the Department of Homeland Security bulletin, which indicated that it is perfectly legal to take pictures of outside of a federal building? Are you familiar with that memo, sir?
You can take pictures of this building, but not on the security.
I can take
Not
pictures of
pictures
anything
of
I
us.
want. Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
Like I said, I'm trying to explain to you. We allow tourists to take pictures of our building. We allow tourists to take pictures of this. But for tourists to take pictures of us and the security, especially the door, when the way people get in and out, that's safety for this building.
So it's
Safety for people that work in this building.
okay.
That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to keep keep them safe.
Is it illegal, sir?
Well, if you want, we got a federal police on the way to answer all your questions.
Oh, I already know what their policy is. You're the one that needs to learn the policy.
Okay, but you.
Department of Homeland Security memo. It's as a result of a 2010 decision. A memo got sent out to all the DHS offices indicating that it's perfectly legal to take pictures outside of a federal building. And I can take pictures of you because you're in public. If you don't want your picture taken, get out of my sight.
Stand over here and take pictures of the door.
Okay, I'll stand over there and take pictures of the door then.
People get
Then that's
in.
what I'll do. You need
I
to...
tell you to stand pictures, sit here and stand pictures of the doorway.
Under what law? See, you can't name the law because there isn't one.
Okay, why don't you just wait?
I can wait.
All right.
I don't got all day, but I'll wait a little while. I'll be more than happy to talk to DHS because you know what they're going to do? They're going to tell you that I have the right to take pictures. In fact, I'll bring up the memo on my phone right
Like I said,
now.
I mean, you're welcome to take pictures of this building, but not the door where people get in and out. The way we process people coming in too. Is that what you do? You take pictures of the way we process people coming in?
Sir, can you cite a law?
I just asked you.
Okay, hold on. I let you talk, you let me talk. Can you cite a law which indicates that taking photographs in public, as I am doing right now, is illegal? Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? I'm waiting for your answer. You cannot cite a law because it doesn't exist. Oh, here we go, FPS. How's it going, guys?
The confrontation escalates into a legal debate between the cameraman and the Paragon guards. The cameraman cites the First Amendment and the Department of Homeland Security Memorandum of 2010, which affirms that photographing the exterior of federal buildings from public property is lawful. The guards argue about security and safety, yet fail to cite any specific statute. Under Title 18 USA Code SS 242, depriving someone of constitutional rights under color of authority is a federal offense. The cameraman remains composed, challenging them to name the law, exposing their ignorance of legal boundaries. Their insistence without cause highlights a recurring conflict in public audits, authority versus law. The proper action for citizens is to remain calm, quote relevant statutes, and continue recording as evidence. Knowledge of the DHS memo and constitutional rights transform confrontation into lawful accountability.
Get your hands out of your pocket. Taking pictures.
How's it going, guys?
Good, yourself, do you have any ID?
I might have ID with me, yes.
Okay, may I see it?
No, you may not.
Okay.
Okay, so please stop following me around, sir. So let's just have a conversation. Let's calm down a little bit, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Could you stop
Okay, no, no,
filming
no,
me?
no, 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 no. Take your hands off my camera. Take your hands off my camera, guys.
You got an ID?
Guys, can
You
I
have any
can I
ID?
face one of you guys at once? I don't want you guys surrounding me, okay? I'm just gonna back up right here. I don't need to show ID. I'm not breaking the law. Are you familiar with the memo that was sent to all the DHS offices indicating that it's perfectly legal to take photographs on the exterior of federal buildings? Are you familiar with that memo, sir?
You were pointing a telephoto lens at a device down there.
What device? I don't have any device in there. I can barely see through those doors. Is that illegal, sir? Is that illegal, sir? Yes or no?
Can we see what you took a picture of?
No. Is that illegal, sir? I take that as a no. May I have your name and badge number, please, sir?
958.
And your name, sir?
That's all you're gonna get from me.
May I have your name and badge number, sir?
Take care of Colbandy.
971.
971. Thank you very much, sir.
You guys got this?
Guys, just calm down. Look, we can talk. We can talk. It's no big
I'm
deal.
gonna go.
Jesus Christ.
I don't care.
All right.
I'm gonna go.
You don't care. Okay.
So you leaving or what?
Well, right now I'm got police around me, so I'm gonna document for my safety what you guys do.
Document your safety?
For my own safety, I'm gonna document what's going on here. How are you today, sir? Good. May I have your name and badge number, your badge number, Mr. Crane? May I have your badge number, please, sir? I guess not. Okay. Anyway, I'll say hello. How are you today? Good.
Something I can do for you, or?
I have a question for you. Are you familiar with the memo that was sent to all of the DHS offices as a result of a 2010 federal decision indicating that it is perfectly legal to take pictures of the exterior of federal buildings? I can bring that up for you on my phone if you like.
It's okay.
That's okay. Can you cite a law indicating that it's illegal to take pictures outside a federal building?
I cannot.
Right. It's legal, isn't it? So what's
Something else I can help
so
you
what's the problem?
I didn't convey to you that I had a problem.
Well, these guys are coming up. Okay. That gentleman there threatened to detain me.
Threaten to what?
That gentleman right there from Paragon, he threatened to detain me.
Did he detain you?
He threatened to detain me.
Okay.
Okay. I indicated to him, just as I indicated to you gentlemen, that it is perfectly legal, according to the federal government, according to DHS.
Okay, so were you detained?
No, I have
So
not
what's
been
the
detained.
problem? So what's the problem? How can I help you?
Okay. I want these security guards from Paragon. Now, just for the record, I already have a sustained complaint against Paragon Security for engaging in this kind of
It's got
activity.
nothing to do with what's going on right now. How can I help you?
I would like to be able to take photographs in public without being harassed.
Okay, go take photographs in public.
Okay, that's what I've been doing.
Okay, don't block the sidewalk.
I'm not blocking the sidewalk. People are walking by.
Don't block the entrance to the federal building.
I haven't been blocking it, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
there you go.
Well, we're all good then, aren't we?
It would appear.
Okay. So I want to ask you, what's the problem? What's with you guys coming with a siren over me engaging in a perfectly legal activity?
Did I have my siren on?
I thought I heard a siren. Yeah. Maybe I heard. I'm sorry. Yeah. Maybe I heard another siren. That's possible. Anyway. So why?
All right.
Well, why is the
Have a nice
security
day.
guard saying I can't take a picture of him when it's perfectly legal to do so? That's what I'd like to know.
You have the memo, right?
Well, yeah, I do. Evidently, you don't. You should read it. You're the one violating it.
What did I violate?
Go read the memo.
Federal Protective Service officers arrive, surrounding the cameraman and demanding identification. The cameraman asserts his rights, stating he is not breaking any law and refuses to provide ID protected under the Fourth Amendment, which guards against unreasonable searches and seizures. When asked about the legality of public photography, ANPS officer admits, "I cannot cite a law confirming the cameraman's position under the First Amendment and the DHS 2010 memorandum, which explicitly authorizes photographing federal buildings from public spaces." The officers eventually acknowledge his right to record and de-escalate the situation. Despite this, nearby individuals continue to claim privacy invasion, revealing persistent public misunderstanding of constitutional rights. The correct approach, as demonstrated by the cameraman, is to stay calm, document every exchange, and rely on legal knowledge. The encounter ends with the cameraman earning an A for composure, legal accuracy, and restraint. The Paragon guards receive a D for ignorance of the First and Fourth Amendments and misuse of authority, while the FPS officers merit a B for ultimately correcting the misunderstanding. This case reinforces that public photography, protected under the DHS 2010 memorandum and US Constitution, is a lawful act, not a crime. The right approach is to remain calm, record lawfully, and cite the law rather than argue emotionally. Support ID Refusal Pro and the original creators who continue educating citizens about their constitutional right.